Hi, welcome to my channel and welcome to a new edition of Empties. I hope you're interested in this. I have quite a big bag here. So without further ado, let's start. First of all is a shampoo, Ducray Extra Gentle Dermoprotective Shampoo for delicate hair. I have very fine, thin hair, but oily scalp. And I have to say that this shampoo was not good to adding volume to my hair, but also given that it's very gentle shampoo, it was very effective in removing grit and oil from my scalp, from my hair roots. So I would highly recommend this if you do not have fine hair, or you have other ways to add volume back to your hair. Very good one and very affordable. Other thing is my label, food cooling gel. It's a Portuguese label. But it's label, house label for supermarket chain here in Portugal. It was nice, it was cooling, but I wouldn't purchase it again. Nothing special. My favorite hairspray, Dorn Styling. It's Italian brand. I ordered it online. Very nice. Specifically I like the scent of this. It has very nice sweet scent, but not too strong, not too powerful. Very nice, very good one. And usually I fix a little small hair here by this, and fix like here. It adds volume, but at the same time it fixes it enough. For example, during windy weather, it wouldn't be too too terrible. Other thing, the small can of Cosmia dry shampoo for adding volume. I wasn't big fan of this. Again, it's a brand of one of supermarket chains here. It was okay for clean hair, but I didn't like the scent of this. It was too masculine, I think. Other one is cotton discs. Again, it's a brand here in Portugal for one of chains, supermarket chains. I really like them. It's Lidl. It's in Lidl. Probably in other countries Lidl's as well. It's CN brand. I have here my favorite brand of toothbrush, Rocks. You can't find it here in this part of Europe, but you can find it in another part of Europe. It's very dense, nice toothbrush. It was recommended by my dentist, and it worked miracle on my gums. Also, I finished toothpaste, Colgate Max White one. Love this. It's actually very helpful in keeping teeth white. I wouldn't say, I don't know if would it whiten teeth per se, but in keeping this white, it's really effective. Dove Car by Nature Invigorating Shower Gel. It was nice, it was okay. I didn't like the packaging. It's kinda hard to open this, and harsh on the fingers, but it was okay. Caudalie Town Prolonging After Sun Lotion. I didn't notice. I prefer Lancaster one. This one I didn't like much the scent, and I don't think that was prolongating a tan or helpful with sunburns. Polar the genuine La Plante cream, face and sensitive areas cream. Like it. Good cream. Given that I have oily, prone to imperfections skin, it was nice. It was very good for neck, and on neck I have dry skin, so it was also very good. Dove Original Antiperspirant deodorant. Nice, I like it. I like the scent, I like everything. Oh, it was a mistake to open it. I think I like it. I like this one. Again, my label brand shower gel with jasmine, orange flowers and ylang ylang. Liked it. Very nice scent, very effective, nice shower gel. Or now contour eye contour cream RA. It was okay. It was okay. Nothing special. Finished sample of sticky dates, I guess. Shower gel. It smells like burnt sugar, caramel. When you try to do a caramel at home and you overdone it, your kitchen would smell like this. So I like the scent, and it was very good in terms of cleaning my skin. Garnier Ultra Suave shampoo without silicones. It was okay. Again, I wasn't a big fan of this. I need something that will give me my hair more volume. Garnier Vitamin C Serum. It's my favorite product. I use it all the time. I don't know, like probably it was my 5th or 6th or 7th bottle of this, and I have for one again. I'm using it, and I have for one in backup. The best and the most affordable of the best vitamin C serums I know. Garnier Vitamin C Sun Protection 50 plus UVB and UVA. I didn't like it much. I feel like it was too thin, too thick. I think it was too thick. It was hard to put it in one proper layer on the skin sometimes, and because of this it gave sometimes I got my marks on my skin, but it was okay. It was okay. And also I have prone to imperfections skin, so on my forehead especially I feel like it was provoking some bumps. Garnier micellar water. Like it. Especially I found my skin responds very well when I do cleaning with micellar water. So now I got back to this method of cleaning. So I use micellar water and then a cleanser. Ole Henriksen Lemonade Smoothing Scrub. It was okay. It took me a while to finish this small size, but it was okay. It was a little bit too harsh, especially in terms of scent in my liking. So I'm not going to repurchase it. Rogue's Minerals. It's a special gel you put on your teeth for during a night before you go to the bed, and it helps to revert any issues you are going to get with your teeth. So it works. It works. I was to dentist lately, and it seems like the things they were supposed to be more advanced now, they kind of get reversed, you know. So I don't have to to make a dentist appointment and fix it. So yeah, very nice thing. Anti-callus Knip foot cream. It was very nice during the winter. It's very moisturizing cream, but I'm not going to purchase it again. It was a little bit too much for my taste. I finished Lush henna. I used Brune one. I found now I have oily but sensitive scalp, and I feel like when I use henna once a month on the scalp, it helps to soothe this for a long period of time. So I use it all the time, and also it adds a nice shine to my hair. Another one of Dove original deodorant, dry deodorant. I purchased Petit Fille Agave Cooling like this. It's my favorite. I have this another jar of this again, and I have a backup, the best one. It actually cooling. It's enhance appearance under the eyes and remove puffiness. It's very nice. Highly recommend. Sauce Neutralini. Basically, it's oil, makeup removing oil. It's actual oil. It's a little bit greasy, but it was very nice. It's scent was nice. I like it. It's a glass bottle. I also purchased it. I guess I'm not sure. It's Slovakian brand or what. I ordered it online. Liked it, but I'm not going to order it again because I moved to my micellar water cleaning technique. Yves Rocher Botanical Balm for Hair. Unfortunately, it got expired. I didn't use it much. Embryolisse stick, eye cooling stick. I liked it, but it got expired and it became like not nice inside. So I'm going to put it into the garbage. But I purchased one from Essence and I like it. The same basically. Sample size of Lancome night cream for face and neck. It was okay. I got it on a gift with purchase. I finished it. I'm not going to purchase a full size. Dr. Barbara Storm Glow Drops. It was nice, but I didn't notice much glow from this. I have nice glowing skin anyway, so I think especially in the price point it's just nonsense. Some of my favorite vitamins, again, D Plus Vitamins and Minerals, very nice one. You can find it here in some supermarket chain, Mercadona supermarket chain. It's very nice. Finished 3 powders, 2 of them almost finished and 1 completely finished. Fenty Beauty Pro Filter in color 120. I almost finished it. It's supposed to be mattifying, but it's not exactly for my skin type. My skin require more mattifying powder, but at the same time it's very nice powder. I can say nothing bad of this, but yeah, the same with this Revolution Super Matte powder, non-comedogenic. It's nice at first when I apply it. It's quite mattifying, but during a day it's not enough, the same as Fenty. I found really mattifying one, but first 2 Fenty and Revolution, they add more color. This one is more translucent. It's saying like it's lightweight, mattifying, lasting. It's Rimmel Stay Matte powder. I have it in 003 Peach Glow, and Revolution I have in Vanilla. But I have to say one thing. Here in Rimmel you get 14 grams of the product, and Revolution you have 6 grams for a little bit higher price than Rimmel, and Fenty you have 9.1 grams. So Fenty is okay, given this is kind of luxury brand, great packaging. You have sponge, here you have everything. It's very beautiful, aesthetically pleasing, but Revolution, it's like just 6 grams here. So if you have to choose between those two, Revolution and Rimmel, choose Rimmel. More than twice more of product and cheaper price and better quality in terms of mattifying skin. Finished Fenty Beauty Concealer in color 140 because it gone bad. It's an old version, now they reformulated it. I have reformulated version and I like it, so I highly recommend Fenty concealers if you need a full coverage under your eyes. Full coverage, but without being drying, without being greasy. Perfect, just perfect concealer. I have to get rid of mascara, Holika mascara, Holy Pop Detail Cara, because it's a mascara, tubing mascara that had to be removed with just hot water. It has very nice brush. I think I was drawn to this brush mostly. Maybe I will keep a packaging and will use this brush I will wash it and will use it to brush my eyelashes, just in case. It's very nice brush. But the mascara itself, I don't like tubing mascara. Every time I remove it, those particles, they got into my eyes, and it's just nightmare. My favorite mascara is from Rimmel, Extra Long Lash, Length and Definition 003 Extreme Black. The brush looks like this. It's plastic again, much bigger one. Plastic brush, very nice. It makes wonders to my eyelashes. It makes them long, full. Now I'm wearing another version. I'm wearing Rimmel Extra Super Lash Building Mascara, and it's not the same. It's not plastic bristles. Not hard plastic bristles. It's still plastic, I guess, but it's not hard plastic. So I prefer for my not so long, not so full eyelashes, I prefer this one, Extra Long Lash, Length and Definition 003 Extreme Black mascara from Rimmel. Finished Model Co Instant Brows Brow Pencil in light medium. I like it. It's triangle pencil, very good. It has a nice brush at the other end. I like it. It's fine. Also finished lip oil from Yves Saint Laurent Volupté Tinted Oil number 5. Liked it. I had it for a long period of time. I'm not sure if they still produce it, but yeah, it was nice. It's supposed to give you to develop your natural color, like all these fuchsia colors, as all those products gives, I believe, to everyone. But it was very moisturizing and nurturing on the lips. And the last thing, I have get rid of this Black Rose Cream Mask from Sisley, sample size. I have oily combination skin. I usually do not use often plumping or nourishing moisturizing masks. So that's it. Oh no, one more thing. From Fresh Sugar Balm in coral. I like it. It's amazing balm, but at the same time it's just my color for lips. It's amazing. It's a little bit messy, so I mostly use it at home, but packaging also prevents it from messiness, because it's not just this type of, you have to swirl it. So, and not the plastic, it's metal. So very nice. So that's it. I hope it was interesting, and see you in my next one. Bye.